On this example, we are looking for the dimension. So I can't find the scale factor because I can't match up the dimensions, but I do know the area of the white pentagon and the area of the gray pentagon. So I'm going to focus on the areas instead of the dimensions first. So notice I know both the side length and the area of the white pentagon. I only know the area of the gray pentagon. So I have all the information about the white pentagon, and I'm going to use it to figure out this missing piece of information about the gray pentagon. So I am going from the white pentagon to the gray pentagon. So I'm going to look at my areas. I'm going from, this is my old figure because I know all of the information about it. This is my old pentagon and this is my new pentagon. So my old area is 900, my new area is 300. So remember, the formula is old area times the scale factor squared gives you the new area. So my old area is 900. I don't know the scale factor, so I'm just going to leave it as scale factor squared. And then my new area is 300. So I'm going from the white pentagon to the gray pentagon. So I'm trying to solve for this scale factor, so I'm going to get rid of this 900, so I'm going to divide by 900 on both sides. So my scale factor squared is 300 over 900, which reduces to just 1/3. So to find the scale factor, if I have scale factor squared, I'm going to take the square root. And so my scale factor is going to be the square root of 1/3, which is 0.57735. I don't want to round that because if I round the scale factor, then it's going to make my next answer less accurate because I rounded it. So I took the old area, multiplied it by the scale factor squared to get the new area. I'm going to take my old dimension, multiply it by just the scale factor to get my new dimension. So to find x, I'm going to take my old dimension, which is 21, multiply it by my scale factor, which is 0.57735, and that's going to give me x, my new side, which ends up being 12 point, let's round our final answer to the nearest 10th, 12.1. So x is 12.1. So again, I knew the old area, multiplied that by the scale factor squared to get the new area. That's where this equation came from. Then I solved for the scale factor squared. Then I took the square root to get the scale factor. And then once I have the scale factor, then I just take the old side, multiply it by the scale factor to get the new